Hello everybody, if you want to see how I got these mini 2-strand twists, then stay tuned. I have you covered. This is for any hair type, if your hair is short or long. And yes, I did cut my micro locks, and this is a TWA big chop. And if your hair is fine, thin, short, long, medium size, or whatever, you can get these mini 2-strand twists. And I'm just showing you a before picture and how thin my hair is. And yeah, so let's get right into this video. So the first thing I want to do after having clean, freshly washed hair, I'm just spraying my hair with a heat protectant. I am using a blow dryer to stretch my hair so it can be better to work with. Now this is after blow drying my hair. This is how it's looking. Now I'm just starting off with the back of my hair. You see how fine my hair is? So yeah, if you want these, you definitely can get these without damaging your hair. Okay, so now I am just parting off the back of my hair. And the best way to do this is using a three-way mirror. I did order one, but it hadn't came in yet. But yeah, I will leave in the description box how that looks. But anyway, I use some shine and jam to put at the scalp of my hair. And once again, I'm just trying to show you. I kind of miss my scalp a little bit, but you put it on the scalp of your hair. But I'll go back in and I put some more at the scalp of my hair. And after you do that, you just want to clean up that part the best that you can. And then you want to just grab some rubber bands. It's not for the section you section off, but the other section, just to get that hair out the way. So whenever you start the 2-strand twist, that all the hair is out of the way and you're not grabbing hair that you're not trying to. This is the hair that I'm using. It's X-pression hair, and it's in 16 inches. I cut it in half. And each section, because they come in like little sections, I split it off in 3, and it was 10 sections in each one. So it's 3 sections that I did to each one. So yeah, if you was wondering, and I used 2 complete sections that was cut in half, so 4 halves. All right, to complete the entire head. So after sectioning off the back of the hair, I am just starting at the nape of my hair, and I am just going to box braid the hair. As I'm box braiding the hair at the root, I am adding my real hair to the 2-strand twist afro hair, just to give it some more security, to give it that extra security, like I said. And it will not slip whatsoever if you do it this way. So I'm just starting to box braid the hair, and make sure that you adding your real hair and the synthetic hair together, so it can be a really good grip. I'll show you again of what I'm talking about as well. This is what I'm putting on my hair when I'm starting the 2-strand twist process. And now I'm splitting the hair into 2 sections, and I'm just going to 2-strand twist the hair, adding the product that I showed you. And once again, I'll leave that in the description as well. So after applying that and two strand twisting the hair all the way down to the end, once I get to the end of the hair, I do it like I do the natural 2-strand twist. I kind of get it, and I use my finger and I swirl the end of it, just to give it a little more of a umph or whatever, a little curly end. So yeah, that's what I do. After that, if you want to, you can cut the end of the 2-strand twist, because it's so springy. It's not this long for real. But I don't cut it yet. I wait till I get done to kind of cut and shape the hair. But it's up to you. You could cut it thin, or you can wait. So I'm just showing you the security of the hair. Like I said, you can cut it or you can wait. But anyway, I'm showing you the security of hair. You see, it's not going anywhere. You see, I'm pulling on that hair. Ain't going nowhere. Yup, it's secure. Like I said, if you do it the way I showed you, it's not going anywhere. So let's start with the next 2-strand twist, and I'm just parting and sectioning that off. Now, once again, I am box braiding the root of the hair, and I'm grabbing my real hair and some of the kinky hair, and I am starting to box braid. And you want to box braid all 3 strands of hair to give it that extra security. And you want to do this about 7, 8, 9 times. I really didn't count. I just braided until I felt like it was secure enough. And if your hair started sticking out a little bit as you box braid, just add a little shine and jam at the root of the hair. It is fine. Don't worry about it. All of it will blend in at the end of this tutorial. Now I'm just using that cream to start the 2-strand process. And like I said, you just want to continue the process all the way down. 2-strand twist in the hair, and when you get to the end, you just kind of swirl it at the end and give it a little curly curl. Anyway, let's go to the next little 2 sections of hair. And once again, this process would have been a lot easier with a better mirror, but you know, you can use what you got, or you can get that 3-way mirror like I said. And once again, I'll leave that in the description. So I am continuing the process with the back of my hair. So if you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if any other hairstyle that you want to see, then also just let me know what hairstyle you want to see next, and I will definitely try to get that video made as well. I was thinking about doing some like boho braids or some boho island twists or something like that. But yeah, just let me know what you want to see and I'll definitely make that video. After you get done with that section, you just want to go to the other section of your hair, parting straight across as well, like I'm doing right here. And the most difficult part of this style is the parting. Like literally, it's the parting. The box braiding, the 2-strand twisting, and all that is the easy part. But the parting, so make sure that you're getting your parting the best that you can. And if you're not worried about parting, that's even better, because I was kind of worried about parting, but after a while, I'm like, you know what? I just want it to look full. But anyway, so after you do that, you just sectioning off the hair, and once again, you just box braiding, and then you just 2-strand twisting the hair. I'll do this a few times, and then after that, we'll go on to the next section of the hair, and I'll show you how to section that off as well. Okay, I'm going to show you how I section off the front of my hair, and I went from ear to section off the front because I wanted to know how high I was going to go up with the back of the hair. So yeah, so you just section it off just to get that out the way. So I'm going to go on and complete the back of my hair, and this is how it looks once all completed. And yeah, it is full, it looks good and everything. So just kind of giving you a close-up or whatever. Okay, now I am going to the side of my hair, and I am doing the same thing. I am just sectioning off the hair, and I'm just doing that from side to side, add my shining gem, and I'm going to do the same process as I did in the back. I'm just making small little sections, and I am just box braiding the hair, and then I'm just going to 2-strand the rest of the hair. And for the first like 2 or 3 rows, I only did 2 of the mini twists because I did not want a lot of tension on my edges. As you can see, it is very thin, so I wanted to use less tension as I can, and the max that I put on each row was 3 2-strand twists, because once again, I did not want it to be too thick, but yet I wanted not my edges to be any thinner or put any tension on my hair. But these are so light. It feel like nothing is on my head, which I love about these 2-strand twists. It's so comfortable. So after that, you just want to continue the process throughout your head, making the section as big or small as you like. And yeah, once that is done and completed, I will be showing you the final look. But once the final look is shown, I am not finished because I have some more things to do, like cutting, trimming, shaping the hair to get that desired look that you want. I was going for more of a bob look, so I'll be showing you what I did to create this particular style that you seen at the beginning of the video. Okay, this is the finished look. I have about 120 of the two-strand twists, mini two-strand twists that's in my head. And it took me about 5 hours to complete. I'm going to show you the back and showing you how that look as well. But we're not finished because we got to do a little cutting and adding products to the hair as well. So right now I'm just doing a little styling. I'm doing a deep side part because that's probably how I'm going to wear my hair mostly. So I'm just going to grab some water, just a spray bottle with some plain water in there. And I just want to kind of wet the hair to kind of let it spring to place because I want to kind of cut it more accurate because I want to kind of keep it in that bob look. So I'm just going to kind of snip the ends because I want it to be framed to fit my face in particular. Now, when doing this, do not worry about it coming unraveled once the hair is cut because you do not have to worry about that because once you have the two-strand twist twisted up and it's basically secure after that. You don't have to worry about nothing. That's what I like about this hairstyle. You really can't mess it up too much, but I'm just going throughout the hair and just kind of cutting it and framing it. And you can do it the length that you want because you might not want to cut it. But for me, I wanted to cut it because I had a desired look in my mind. And I'll be showing you some different hairstyles as well. Not just, the side part. So I'll be like pulling it up and stuff like that. So please stay tuned for that as well and what products I put on there. So yeah, I'm just cutting the back right now and just kind of sort of cutting it across. So this is how it's looking so far after I done cut everything and kind of layered it the way I wanted it. And I'm just giving you a view of the back right now and then the side. See how flowy it is? It looks good. And like I said, it is so light. Now I'm just taking my Nairobi hair foam and I'm just going to saturate these mini two-strand twists as much as I can because that's what's going to complete the look. It's going to kind of give it structure and it's also going to like control any frizz or anything like that you have. So this is very important, so please do not skip this step. And once you get it all saturated and throughout the hair, make sure that it dries down completely as well. But yeah, a lot of people that I feel like they don't use a lot, but I feel like it is important to use a lot. Make sure every strand gets, get a little bit in on there. So this is the finished look, and then this is how it's looking. I'm gonna turn around so you can get to see the back and how it is looking once it's completely dry and everything. So once again, if you like this video and you enjoyed watching and this is the kind of content that you like, please do not be shy to share it out and leave a comment. And y'all have a great, blessed, productive day. God bless you.